Hey y'all, today we are going to be trying Vice Unit 10. This is in the color Tip Dye Purple, so I'm so excited. This one was very viral on TikTok sometime last year, so I decided to purchase it. It's so cute and I thought I'd wear a shirt to match. There is some makeup on it, but we're going to ignore that. So Vice Unit 10 Tip Dye Purple was the color. It's 100% premium fiber. It says it's safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit if you want to heat style it, and it comes in a lot of different colors. These are the different colors. Now, as far as the construction, it does give like a little bit of lace if we wanted to do some plucking. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and an adjustable strap. So I'm gonna let y'all get a good look at that. So here's my clips. There is the bottom clip here. There is an adjustable strap here, and then of course it does have ear-to-ear lace, and as you can see there is a portion of hair if we want to do some plucking, and it looks like it goes back about 4 inches deep as a part, and of course it's a middle part, but if you want to shift it side to side you can do that. So I'm gonna take this spray. This is the Even New York tinted spray, and I have it in the color medium dark brown. I'm gonna spray the inside of the wig. After I have it like tinted like this brown, all I do is spray it with some Got To Be spray to lock it in place. Yeah, so it's just wet and it has it on there now. Personally, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, I do not like doing the ball cap method. It's annoying. I only do it when I necessarily feel like I have to, which is very rare, but I do it sometimes. But we is not ball capping today. We're not. Plus, I probably won't even wear this wig for very long because of course it's synthetic, and I'm a heavy gym goer right now, and I'm not gonna wear my synthetic wig to the gym, especially one with a silkier texture of hair. It's not gonna last. Now, I do have the cream foundation by Ruby Kisses. I have it in the color 15. I'm going to put that on my cap. I'm not too concerned about the rest because, again, the lace doesn't go back that far. And I don't keep my cap like directly on my edges either. So it's not like super important to me, but it is. This is like the lazy girl way of doing your wig, okay? It does fit very well, I think. Hold on. Yeah, it fits ear to ear, which is sometimes hard for me because I guess I have a big head and sometimes my wigs do not be fitting right. So let's just like see the curls real quick. Okay, but it's cute though. It is really long. I would say like this is like 28 inches. Like, it's cute. I just want to see what it looks like as a side part. Oh. Yo, I'm just saying, side part supremacy is a real thing. The only thing about the side part is I'm not going to be able to curve the part because it's just a middle part kind of deal. So it's no curved part, but like just, I'm feeling side part-ish. What? I just changed the game because everyone I've been seeing it, they've been doing the middle part, and let's just flip it back over. Everybody's been doing the middle part, and it's cute this way because it does give the vibes. Like, it gives the vibes. I don't know, I kind of like both ways. How do y'all feel about it? I need to know in the comments, do y'all like it middle part or side part? Because I'm gonna do side part, but like the middle part goes crazy. It's like, who is she? It is shedding and I'm just using a wide tooth comb, but that's to be expected. Like, wow. And then here's the hairline, of course. It's still a little thick, okay, but I'm pretty satisfied at what I'm seeing here. Should we just go middle part? Because I mean, like, it's so common, like everybody named mama be doing middle parts, and I just don't want to be like everybody else. Like, while it is really pretty and it gives very much grown, it is very grown, but I don't know. This side was just eating. Cause this eats too. Like, you can't tell me that it don't. And then if I just laid my little purple baby hairs down, bro. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna go back to middle. It is really pretty though. It's very synthetic-y though. Like, this is wiggy wiggy. Like, I like it, but I think now that I have this wig on my head, I prefer a hair texture that has a little more coarseness to it to give it like real hair vibes. But this is giving Barbie hair a little bit. But it's so pretty. Now, I hate when I see like it just all brushed out. I know that it will probably look really cute straight. But if you like just comb it down without like, let me comb it from the bottom up. But just leaving it like this is so boring. And it can be very flat and not face framing. But if you comb it backwards and then push the curls up, that's what gives you that swoop the doop, okay? Let me just let y'all know that if you didn't know that. I'm pretty sure you know that, but that's what gives you the swoop. That changes the game. Look how it's like, the side's like, oh. See, I did the same. Okay, but I should probably lay it down now. So since we've decided to do this, okay, yeah, we'll go with the middle part. All right, so to lay my little wig down, I'm gonna move all the hair to the back, to the bite real quick. I'm gonna get a clip to clip it out of my way. I'm gonna use my Bold Hold Liquid Gold and a little bit of, come on now, got to be, because you got to be more careful. And I'm just going around my hairline, like so, like that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and pull. Okay, it's pretty tacky, so I'm just gonna like pop it on my forehead. I don't even know what I'm doing no more. I'm gonna be completely honest. This is never how I put a wig on, like, ever. But I've been trying to do it like how the YouTube girlies and the Instagram people be doing it. But girl, I'm gonna show y'all how I put my wig on, because this is not how I put my wig on. Let's just get the lace off. Let's just start there, I guess, right? You know, it's funny because I'm a master cosmetologist, yet like I'm still learning stuff every single day, because nobody teaches you this when you're in school. They don't teach you nothing about wigs. They teach you how to do a roller set, how to do a perm, how to do a relaxer, and a silk press. Girl, I ain't learned nothing else. So here I am trying to teach myself how to do this stuff. See, now it's all shiny and stuff because I put that glue there, and then the glue didn't even lay on the lace. Like, the goal is to not have the wig sitting on my forehead. Like, I'm gonna have to just make a baby hair in this area to cover my natural hairline, because it just doesn't fit right. I'm gonna go back to Got to Be. And yes, it's going on my hair, but like I said, I take it off at the end of the day. It's gonna be fine. Just pop that bad boy in there like that. Yep. Look. We just gonna do like that. I mean, like, it's getting glued down though. Like, that's really the gist. So I mean, it might not be right, but we make it look like it's right. So Right now we gotta fill in the gaps. Like these little small spaces that they not get no love. Now that's where I can fill it in with this. Cause this will lay it down. Just gotta be real precise with it. And then hold it. That's the lace, babies. It's not all the way dry over there, but like it gets the job done, you know? All right, so now I'm gonna make baby ears. Right, yeah, like that. Then I'm gonna take my to-be glue, just a little tiny bit on my finger. Yeah, that amount. I'm just gonna pop that on there like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna swoop those bad boys right back into the hair. And now I'm just gonna go in with my bold hold and put a little drop on top of the edges. This stuff will make your edges stay in place, which is why I like to use it. And that's really all I do. I mean, like, yeah, literally all I do. Now, if you want to be like extra, now this is where this little stretchy thing comes in. Now, let me just talk about the texture of this hair. This hair is very silky. Very silky. I'm going to show y'all how long it is. My back stops right here. It goes all the way to my cheeks. That's got to be dang near 28, 30. I'm 5'4", 5'3". Texture wise, it just feels very wiggy to me. So what I'm gonna do is brush it with this paddle brush from the bottom up. See if that helps, like kind of just fluff it out, I guess. Like, it's cute. I just don't know. It's very much a photo shoot wig. I don't think I would necessarily wear hair this long. I'm probably gonna end up cutting it, but I'm not going to just yet. Just gonna blow dry it real quick, and then I'm gonna take as you can see, it's pretty freaking fire. Let's just take this off and see what we're working with, because I gotta clean my part up. It is cute. And now I'm gonna take this cream again with a flat brush, and I'm gonna use that to crisp up my middle part. All right, guys, this is my final result. Check it. Zoom in on the lace, baby. All right, this is what we did, and that's what's hiding over here if the wind blows. Okay, this is what's hiding over here if the wind blows. It's not terrible. The density of this hair I'm not really loving. The longer the synthetic hair, the easier it's gonna tangle. So I don't even know how long this is gonna last, but it is really pretty. Maybe I'll do the middle part, I mean the side part next time, just to change it. Oh, is that late? And then I'm just gonna like stand up a little bit so you can see the ends, because it's purple all the way down. It's really pretty. It's just really long. This would be cute in all black too, for like a date night kind of style. It's got those romance curls on it, which we love. But yeah, this is the wig, guys. Tell me what y'all think down below in the comments and what you want to see from me next. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye babes. Let's up.